Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to assign Google Assistant on a button on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here is my Galaxy Watch 6, and to assign Google Assistant instead of Bixby, because if you push long on the power button, now Bixby will open. It is very easy. First, if you don't have Google Assistant on your watch, you need to download from the Google Play. And then here is my assistant. To assign to a button, it is very easy. Just go to settings and here tap on advanced features. Now go down and we have here customized buttons. Tap to enter inside, and here we have press and hold. Now it's assigned Bixby, and to assign Google Assistant, just tap on Assistant. Now let's exit, and if you will push long on the power button, as you can see, now Google Assistant will be open and you can use it. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.